Exhausted by my hectic routine that has me buzzing around like a busy bee navigating myself through the city's heavy traffic, I decided it was time for a break to reconnect with the motor enthusiast within me. I planned a journey down south to the Western Ghats, Kambam, a valley of a distance of 490 kilometers from Bangalore, seeking clear skies and nature to soothe my soul. I decided to take my 2019 Java 42, which I hadn't used much. I packed my gear, shifted into the gear, and opened up the throttle to cruise along the express highway. In just about 40 minutes from my home, I made it to the outskirts of Bangalore, finding the usually busy roads surprisingly free of traffic. With a smooth ride on the highway, I quickly arrived in Hosur, which to my surprise was way early than my timed schedule of 1 hour for the 42 kilometers of ride from the express highway exit. I took a tea break at Salem and then got back on the track to maintain my schedule and head towards Erode, a town at a distance of 70 kilometers from Salem. A flat highway quickly connects Erode to Salem via Namakkal. After revving up the engine at a decent pace, I arrived in Erode where the Kaveri river was gently flowing. It was time to refuel my The roads were quiet and the fresh clean air was hitting my visor as I rode. The calm atmosphere made it feel as though my Java 42 was hinting me through the hum of its engine, letting me know it was always ready for the next adventure to a new destination. Soon I reached the forest check gate, completed my entry formalities and set off to ascend the Meghamalai hills. Meghamalai, true to its name, welcomed me with a gust of wind and chilly cloud as I began climbing the mountain roads. The calmness and the lush greenery added to the serene beauty of the place. With limited visibility on the tarmacs, I could barely make out the road ahead, so I eased off the throttle. As I approached the valley, tea plantations and small settlements came into view, offering a glimpse of the beautiful landscape ahead. With the bird chirping in the background, the distinct exhaust note of my Java 42 echoed through the valley, making its presence known amidst the serene surroundings. I paused to soak myself in the stunning beauty of the valley. Realizing that it was time to head back to Bangalore, I quickly explored the area and began my descent. After making my entries at the checkpost, I set off my return journey, planning to take no breaks along the way.